Hello children, today I will teach you Social Studies Chapter 2, Changes in School and Neighborhood. Changes happen all the time and in all of us. We need to accept the changes around us and move further. You must have observed many changes around you. These changes may be in terms of your classroom, number of students, subjects, or teachers. Children, generally teachers sit in class and take your class, but sometimes she takes your class in garden under the shade of the trees, and you like it also. Sometimes in between studies you want to do drawing and you feel very good. We go for picnic outside in some picnic destination. So this type of changes we can see in our school life. Changes in neighborhood. Neighborhood is the area around your home. You can see many things in your neighborhood like buildings, shops, schools, banks, park and bus stop also. See in this picture, the vegetable is selling vegetables. In post office we go for sending letters. Here you see the garage. Here we are going for servicing our vehicles. When we plant new saplings, it also changes the look of our neighborhood. The screen. The peoples are planting trees to show our changes of our surroundings. Now our topic is gender sensitivity. You know this picture of gender sensitivity? That means difference between girls and boys. People treated on the basis of their gender. All people have the right to enjoy equal status. Women have been struggling to get an equal place in the society. Today, women can move anywhere. They can do all kinds of jobs. They can do jobs according to their skills. You can see this picture. Here, she is a pilot. And in the other picture, see, she is a police officer. Children, do you know? Now women can participate in the decision-making activities also. You can see in this picture that they are taking part in legislature and they are taking important position in office also. So children, what you learn from today's class? Yes. All people have the rights to enjoy equal status in the society. We should never discriminate people on the basis of caste, creed or gender. Now children, you read this chapter 2 and write answers in your own language in school, rough copy. The first question is, what is a neighborhood? The second question is, in what ways can women today enjoy equal rights? So, you write this answer very neatly in your rough copy. Okay, see you again. Bye. Thank you.